Whenever diesel vehicle owners hear the word sustainability, most of them switch off mentally. And honestly, I understand why. A fleet owner's first concern is not carbon credits or climate targets. It is fuel cost, it is uptime, it is profitability. Every rupee saved on diesel goes straight to the bottom line. So let me be very clear right at the start. GreenDrive was built first to save fuel. Sustainability is the outcome, not the burden. Across India and globally, millions of trucks, buses and heavy vehicles are running every single day. They move goods, they move people, they move the economy. These vehicles are not going anywhere anytime soon. They are designed to run for 15 to 25 years. Replacing them early is not practical. Electrifying them overnight is not realistic. Yet, fuel prices keep rising, margins keep shrinking, and regulatory pressure is increasing quietly but steadily. Today, most fleet operators focus only on one question: what is my diesel savings? That's fair. But here's the shift that's already happening. Large companies, logistics players, manufacturers, FMCG companies are now being asked to reduce emissions, report carbon footprint, control scope 3 emissions across their supply chains. And who sits inside scope 3? Fleet operators, transporters, contractors. Whether you like it or not, compliance is coming. Soon, it won't be optional. Soon, contracts will demand proof. Penalties will follow bad data. There's another issue most fleets quietly suffer from. Fuel data is messy. Manual fuel logs, driver inputs, estimated mileage, inconsistent reporting. All of this leads to incorrect fuel numbers, underreported consumption, overstated efficiency. And when this data flows upward into corporate ESG and scope 3 reporting, it creates risk. Bad data today becomes penalty tomorrow. GreenDrive doesn't start at the exhaust. It starts inside the engine. Instead of cleaning emissions after combustion, GreenDrive improves combustion itself. Using our patented hydrogen fuel assist technology, we introduce precisely controlled hydrogen into the intake air, on demand. Not stored, not replacing diesel, not risky. Just enough hydrogen to improve flame speed, improve fuel-air mixing, reduce incomplete combustion. The result? Less diesel burned for the same work. That is the real efficiency. In real-world operations, on trucks, buses and heavy vehicles, we consistently see 3 to 20% fuel savings, smoother engine response, cleaner combustion, lower smoke and particulate matter. Fuel savings are immediate. No change in driver behavior, no change in routes, no operational disruption. Installation takes hours, not days. Apart from occasional water refill, the system runs automatically. Now here's where GreenDrive becomes future-proof. Cleaner combustion automatically means lower carbon dioxide, lower particulate matters, lower carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. No hidden greenhouse gas penalties. So while the fleet owner saves fuel today, the fleet also becomes more compliant, more contract ready, more regulation proof, truly cleaner. This is where GreenVision comes in. GreenVision is our IoT-driven digital platform that monitors system health remotely, tracks fuel performance trends, flags maintenance needs early, eliminates manual data guesswork, no spreadsheets, no driver-dependent reporting, no assumptions. Fleet owners get clear visibility on savings, predictable maintenance, fewer breakdown surprises. And when customers or principals ask for emission or fuel data, you have clean, digital, defensible reports. savings become provable, compliance becomes painless. Here's another important point. We don't believe fleet owners should carry technology risk. That's why GreenDrive is deployed under decarbonization as a service. You don't buy a box. Instead, pay a deposit and only a monthly fee that is often lower than your diesel savings, making the ROI happen instantly. You don't worry about tuning. You don't worry about performance drift. We deploy the system, monitor it, optimize it, maintain it, stand behind outcomes. Fuel savings first, compliance automatically follows. This is our way of making sustainability profitable. This is the moment for fleet leaders. The industry is changing. Fuel costs are not coming down. Regulations are tightening. Supply chains are being audited. Fleet operators who move early will win contracts, avoid penalties, improve margins, lead the transition. Those who wait will be forced to react at a higher cost. GreenDrive is not about future vehicles. It is about making today's vehicles more profitable, more compliant, and more sustainable right now. Fuel savings today, compliance tomorrow, leadership always. The fleets that move first will define the new standard. GreenDrive is here to help you lead.